In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create executive dashboard in Google Sheets. We'll build a clean at-a-glance dashboard that highlights your key performance indicators, their current values, the targets you're aiming for, a visual progress bar, and a simple health signal. Open a new Google Sheet and in the first row, add these column headers from left to right: key performance indicator, current value, target, progress bar, and health. This structure keeps everything consistent and easy to scan. Start with your first KPI. In the key performance indicator column, enter group treasury. In the current value column, type $4,250. In target, type $5,000. Now create a visual progress bar. In the progress bar cell on that row, type the formula X sparkline 85, chart type, and bar, but max 100. This draws a compact bar showing 85% progress toward your target using a scale that tops out at 100. In the health column, add a yellow circle to indicate caution or partial progress. On the next row, enter thesis completion. Set the current value to 3 chapters and the target to 5 chapters. For the progress bar, use X sparkline 60, chart type, bar, max 100. That shows 60% progress, a quick visual cue that you're not quite on pace. In the health column for this row, place a red circle to flag that it needs attention. Next, add content output. For the current value, type 8 videos, and for the target, 10 videos. In the progress bar cell, enter X sparkline 80, chart type, bar, max 100. This gives you an 80% bar. Add a yellow circle in the health column to reflect moderate status. Finally, add profit margin. Set the current value to 120% and the target to 100%. In the progress bar cell, type chart sparkline 100, chart type, bar, max 100. Because you're at or above the target, the bar fills the entire width. In the health column, insert a green circle to show it's in great shape. Once your rows are in place, make the dashboard easier to read. Bold the header row, adjust column widths so the labels and values fit neatly, and center the progress bar and health columns so the visuals line up. For clarity, format currency cells as currency, percentage cells as percent, and leave text labels like chapters and videos as plain text. With this setup, your executive dashboard is compact, informative, and instantly understandable, perfect for quick reviews or sharing with stakeholders.